Hello, welcome and namaste. So now we are seeing how to create attribute data and Excel data. Okay. So last video we seen how to create a point layer. So we create a file, that is a big project, and we digitalize these points. So these digitalize these points, and I just click on a big project, go to the properties, label, single label, okay, then the project, and apply, and okay. So these are my point layer with their name. I just right click here and see the open attribute table. So this is the attribute table. So for feeding the data, we can add so many columns in this attribute table. Okay. Now suppose us researchers or students, or we are studying in a specific area, so we want to show some points which is not mentioned in this map. So with the help of Google Earth we can add the point. That's data which is called the Excel data. So for that, just open Google Earth. Now I want to show the Alibag, my some data, my research area which I want to show by point. So I just type here Alibag, then I click it OK. So at this point I want to show in a QGIS map. So I use this add place mark, just put the place mark on ArcGIS, on Alibag. I will get the exact latitudes and longitudes. So before that we have to create an Excel data file. So I create the Excel data table here, name and XY coordinates. I name is UTM_Y, UTM_X. So Alibag, I just copy these latitudes and longitudes and paste in this Excel table. Okay. In this way, same I can found the Karjat. Just type Karjat, click on Karjat, and we'll find the Karjat map. So we'll get the exact data of Karjat, exact location of Karjat. Add place, keep the place on Karjat. We'll get exact latitudes and longitudes of Karjat. I just copy it and paste in this Excel table. So in this way I want to add these places. These are my research places. These are my research points places which I want to add in a Google QGIS software. Okay, I just close this Google Earth. Now I want to save this file. Before that, this is my folder. We have to work from the folder basis. I have one folder on a Raigad map. These are the supporting files. I create another folder, subfolder here, new folder. So type Excel data. Okay. Now this is my Excel file. Now I want to convert this file as a CSV file. So file, save as, give us the location to the we want to save the file. I want to save the file on a desktop, and my project which is Raigad map. Here I create a one folder, that is Excel data. Just I give the file name. Suppose the point which I search in a Google Earth, save type. Just click here and save as a CSV format. Okay, then click on save. The file will be saved in your form, and just close this file, save it. So don't save. Now we will get the CSV file. So this is our Excel data file, and point layer is here. So what we do, we want to mention some point in our specific area. So we use these latitudes and longitudes points. We make a table here, and now just open QGIS. So I uncheck the big project. Okay, then go to the layer properties, layer, add layer, and just type add delimited text layer. So how it's layer, add layer, add delimited text layer. File name, choose the file. So our file which is on a desktop, Raigad map, Excel data, our file which is in a CSV format. Just click on the point, open it. Layer name which is point, encoding system as system. Don't change the encoding. Our file format is CSV format. Then it asks the coordinates X and Y field. So mention here the X field and mention here Y field. Now your add button is enabled. So click add and close it. Look, now the Excel point which is automatically come in our map. Okay, right click here, go to the properties, go to the symbol, click on symbol. Suppose I want to change the symbol, so we can change the symbol style, we can change. Okay, so I want to change the size of symbol, then color of the symbol, any color. Suppose this color I want to change. Okay, so want to add more symbol, so I can add, or to minimize, just drag this window, just drag it, because the windows is so here are some symbols. I just click on these. I want these types of symbol, and just simple mark, apply, and OK. So these points are the Excel data format. So in this way we can add our research point data in our map. So thank you for it.